Most of us think of meat, eggs, or legumes when we talk about protein. But did you know? Some fruits can also give you a good protein boost. In today's video, we'll explore the top protein-rich fruits that can support your health, fitness, and energy levels. Protein is essential for muscle growth, repairing tissues, and even keeping your hair and skin healthy. While fruits may not be protein powerhouses like beans or chicken, some of them surprisingly provide a decent amount. And the best part is that they come loaded with vitamins, fiber, and antioxidants too. Alright, let's talk about some fruits that are actually pretty good sources of protein. You might be surprised by a few of these. Number 1. Guava. Protein content is around 4.2 grams per cup. It is rich in vitamin C and fiber, great for boosting immunity and keeping digestion smooth. Guava is actually one of the highest protein fruits. Eating it regularly helps with muscle repair and also keeps your gut happy. Number 2. Avocado. It's not just creamy and delicious, but it also adds a decent protein punch with about 3 grams per cup. Plus, it's packed with healthy fats and potassium, perfect for smoothies, salads, or just spreading on a toast. Number 3. Blackberries. Almost 2 grams of protein per cup, and they're high in antioxidants and vitamin K. These tiny berries may look small, but honestly, they're loaded with protein, fiber, and powerful antioxidants that help fight inflammation. Number 4. Oranges. With 1.2 grams of protein per cup. They are rich in vitamin C, and they will help to keep you hydrated. Oranges give you more than just a vitamin C kick. They also supply some protein, making them a refreshing and energizing snack. Number 5. Jackfruit. It has a protein content of about 2.8 grams per cup. It also contains vitamin B6, magnesium, and fiber. Jackfruit is not only protein-rich, but also used as a meat alternative in vegan cooking. Number 6. Dried apricots. Protein content is around 2 grams per 100 grams. They are high in iron, potassium, and vitamin A. Dried apricots are a smart snack for a quick protein and nutrient boost, especially for people on the go. Number 7. Bananas. Protein content is 1.3 grams per medium banana. They are loaded with potassium and it gives you energy. Bananas are great as a pre- or post-workout snacks. They give you carbs for energy and a bit of protein to support recovery. Other fruits like peaches, kiwis, and raspberries also provide small amounts of protein. Remember, individually the protein may be modest, but when combined with nuts, yogurt, or seeds, you can create a powerful high-protein snack. So there you have it. Protein-rich fruits like guava, avocado, and jackfruit can add both taste and nutrition to your daily diet. If you're looking to build muscle, manage weight, or simply eat healthier, don't forget these fruity protein sources. Which of these fruits is your favorite? Let me know in the comments below. And if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, share, and subscribe for more health and nutrition tips. Stay healthy, and I'll see you in the next video.